PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides expert heating system installation in Pottstown, PA, delivering reliable warmth and comfort for homes and businesses. Our experienced technicians help you choose the right heating system based on your property size, energy efficiency goals, and budget. We handle every step of the installation process, from removing old equipment to installing and testing your new system for optimal performance. With a focus on quality workmanship and dependable results, we ensure your heating system operates safely and efficiently. Trust PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair for professional heating system installation in Pottstown, PA, and stay comfortable all winter long. Contact PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the heating system installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides heating system installation in Pottstown, PA. PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers professional heating system installation in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses looking for reliable warmth during cold Pennsylvania winters. Our experienced technicians install a wide range of heating systems, including furnaces, heat pumps, and other energy-efficient solutions. How much does heating system installation cost in Pottstown, PA? The cost of heating system installation in Pottstown, PA depends on factors such as the type of system, home size, energy efficiency rating, and installation complexity. PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides clear and detailed estimates after evaluating your property's heating needs. What is your heating system installation in Pottstown, PA? Our local heating system installation has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.